Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting unboxing of a new case for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So I've been using the Galaxy Z Flip 6 for the last several weeks. This is the blue variant, and Benks was very gracious to send me this awesome Kevlar case for the Z Flip 6, as well as a glass screen protector. So we're going to go ahead and unbox these, take a look, and see if they are right for you. If you are a Galaxy Z Flip 6 owner, definitely take a look at this. Also, hit the video up here for the unboxing of the Z Flip 6. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so like I said, Benks graciously sent me this case to take a look at and review. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you. And then they also sent over this glass screen protector for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So let's go ahead and unbox this one first. We're going to go ahead and grab our unboxing knife here. First, let's go ahead and open this up. So there's a little tab here. If you open it up, you can actually see the case in here. Let's try not to get the reflection there. And you can see it's got this really nice Kevlar design on this case. It's kind of a greenish here, and I believe this is black. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And let's grab that unboxing knife. Give it a little slit right there. And we should be able to... one more slit. There we go. And we'll go ahead and pull this out. Looks like I might have missed a little spot there. Oh, there we go. All right, so here is the case. Just in the box here, there is some information that it is made out of Kevlar. On the front here, we have scratch resistant, full protection, and light and durable, which is going to be really nice. And then it also looks like it has this screen here, so you can see that cover display when you have the phone closed. Some more information here. Let's go ahead and take a look. Get this thing out of the box. So here is the cover screen, and here is the back. And if you take a look at that, I really like that green color. It's really nice. And then we've got a little tag here with some Benks logo and some information. Go ahead and set this off side, see if there's anything else in here. It doesn't look like there is. Nope. So we'll set that off. All right, so real easy to put these things on. So we'll just go ahead and pop this onto the back, just like so. And it's a nice fit. It's not going anywhere. What I really like about these cases is you really don't have to use adhesive on them, especially if you like to change your cases out. And let me go ahead and just cut that little Benks tag off of there. And then we'll just go ahead and pop that on like so. And there we go. So that is the case from Benks. This is the Galaxy Z Flip 6 case. And we're going to go ahead and test this out. We'll test for wireless charging. We'll take a look around here on the bottom. We've got the open charging port. We've got the speaker port. And we've got our speakers here. And the microphones. Go ahead and open it up and take a look on the back. And we do have that cover screen. So it did look like there was a circle, but I guess there is no circle there. Great cutouts for the camera. And we got protection there as well. And that is a look there. Along the sides, we've got the open for our power button and our volume up and down. And on this side, we've got a little bit, looks like there's a little stripe there. There is no hinge protection, so that's kind of a bummer, but this isn't supposed to be like a really heavy duty case. If you're looking for something like that, you may want to look at like an OtterBox or a UAG case. Or there's many other brands out there that Spigen is another one that makes some really good cases. So let's go ahead and first test out the, make sure that we have magnet capability. Now I believe that this has MagSafe capability, so I've got a wireless charger here. Just gonna go ahead and see if that is MagSafe. And looks like there's a little bit there. My dog right there. So if we go ahead and pop that on, there we go. So it does have wireless capability. It doesn't look like it is MagSafe. There's a little bit of a magnet, but I wouldn't recommend using MagSafe on this. Let's go ahead and test it with a wallet. So I've got one of the Moft wallets here. See if that will stick on there at all. And there is a little bit of a magnet there. I wouldn't recommend using it for MagSafe though. And then I also have a ring here that we'll just test out. This is a MagSafe ring from Toraz. I've got a video up here if you want to take a look at that on the Toraz ring. But there is a little bit of magnet there. Once again, not real strong, but I'm not sure if this was made to be MagSafe. There wasn't any information about it being MagSafe. But there is that design there. Really nice. Really nice. And you've got that Kevlar protection, so you're really going to be protected all the way around that phone, except for the hinge right here. So let me go ahead and grab a charger here. So I've got a wireless charger right here. Go ahead and set that down. And let's just go ahead and check wireless charging. And there we go. So no issues with the wireless charging. All in all, really nice case. I really appreciate Benks for sending this over for me to review. If you want to pick one of these up, I will put a link in the description below. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. This is the Glass Warrior Screen Protector is what they call this. And let's just take a look here. It says there's a little bit of a reflection there. HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, and scratch resistance. So definitely like having a glass screen protector when I can put one on my phone. Just make sure that I take care of my investment. And then there's some information on here. It says strengthened dust, enhanced impact resistance, responsive touch, smooth hand sensation, full coverage protection, and strong anti-fingerprint. So definitely want to check out that anti-fingerprint because these screen protectors always end up with a lot of fingerprints on them. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like there is a tab down here. And let's take this out of the box and see what it comes with. All right, so we have a phone screen protector by Benks. And we're going to go ahead and just see what is in here. So it looks like everything is in this. It's a nice little envelope that has all the information in it. No other info here. And let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. All right, so first off, we have an installation kit here. If we go ahead and open this up, this should have probably our, yeah. So this is going to have all of the things that are needed to put the screen protector on. We've got a cleaning wipe here, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and we've got some of the anti-dust stickers that come with most of these. Let's see what else we have. Here it looks like we have just a nice Benks. Looks like a sticker since 2008. And here we have the actual screen protector. So let's go ahead and pull this out. And this is the screen protector that it comes with. Take a look there. It's got some Benks branding. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take the cover screen case part off. So we'll just go ahead and pop this off of here. And next we're going to go ahead and open up our cleaning wipe. So we'll go ahead, open this up and clean off that screen. Definitely want to make sure you clean that screen real good. This way you don't end up with any fingerprints, any dust particles. So we're just going to go ahead and clean this real good with the cleaning wipe that they provided. And that looks pretty good to me. And then we're going to go ahead and just take our microfiber and dry that off. Let's make sure that we don't have any dust under there. And let's go ahead and just take a look there. Don't see any dust. Hopefully, kind of doing this behind the camera. So we've got that. So we're going to go ahead and just take one of these little dust stickers, and we'll just go ahead and go all the way around on the screen. Want to make sure that we don't get any dust particles underneath those glass screen protectors. And we'll go ahead, do once again, stick that back there. Let's just go ahead and check. And I don't see anything under the camera in the light. So hopefully we're good there. And this is the cover. Do that very carefully. There we go. And then we're just going to go ahead and line this up with our camera. Let's go ahead and get that right around the camera there. And we'll just go ahead and press, and we'll watch all the bubbles go away. And it doesn't look like they give you like a little squeegee or anything, so hopefully we don't need that. It looks like we do have some bubbles there. We'll go ahead, just so you can kind of see there are some bubbles there. And I guess we'll just give this a nice push on here. There is no instructions, unfortunately. I didn't find any instructions or QR code or anything. So it looks like we just go ahead and peel this back. And now we've got our glass screen protector, as you can see there. And look at that. There's no bubbles. So it looks like the bubbles are just underneath that, and feels real nice. It's really slick. It's definitely going to give some protection. Let's go ahead and throw that case back on there. And there we go. So there is the glass screen protector from Benks. This is the what they call the Glass Warrior screen protector. And then we've got the Benks Kevlar case for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So nice combination, definitely going to protect your device. Definitely check these out in the link below. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, and always click the bell notifications updated when new videos get uploaded. As always, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.